Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. If you would like to see a simple on-the-go style for toddlers with super thick and textured hair, just keep watching. So here you'll see me just take down each section and spray it with a little water from the water bottle and use a detangling lotion and just detangle each section as I go. So first I'm going to detangle this section, spray it with a little water, detangle it, and use a little edge control and get it back nice and spruced up. And y'all, this style literally took me about 10 minutes to do because after about 10 minutes she gets antsy and she doesn't want to sit down. She doesn't want to sit down anymore. So here I'm just showing you the Aunt Jackie's Not Having It. It's like a detangler, moisturizer, or some type of leave-in conditioner. I don't know what it is, but I know it works great for her hair as far as like detangling it and getting it soft and getting it shiny and moisturized looking. It works super well for her hair. So that is definitely a product I'll recommend, and I'll link it down below. And right here, I'm just showing you the Edge Booster by Style Factor. I can't give too much of a review on it. This is my first time using this particular edge control on her hair. I was always skeptical about using the edge control, but her hair needs it to stay nice and stay nice, looking nice and put up all throughout the day. So I think I can give another review about this and about how it worked for her hair and how long it stayed. Laying her hair down and flat on that in a later video if you guys would like. As y'all can see, she's already getting antsy and bored, and it hasn't even been about 5 minutes at this point. So the quick and easy hairstyles are definitely a go-to for her. And look at it already coming together. She looks so cute, and I love a cute mohawk on her. That's always my go-to for her, especially when we're on the run. But if you don't know where to find the two products that I use, which the Aunt Jackie's not having it, and the Edge Booster, they are not sponsored, none whatsoever. But they're really good products. Well, I know the Aunt Jackie's is a really good product. I can link those two below for you guys. And if there are any other videos that you would like to see, or hairstyles that you would like to see, or a wash day or wash routine, anything, just leave a comment below and I can get that done for you. Now she's waving bye-bye to you guys because she know we're almost done and she can have fun now. But if you like this video or any videos like this, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Here's the finished product. It's nothing too much, something just simple and cute that'll get us out the house for the day. So, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, she's listening to Frozen. Bye. Thank you for watching.